Hey, babe, we're getting ready to go on another cruise.
I know, I'm so excited.
I am too. Have you started packing yet?
Not yet. Why?
Because we always forget something.
I guess you're right. Here are 10 items you always forget.
Come and cruise with us. Come and cruise with us. Come and cruise with us, and you won't regret it.
Hi, everybody. I'm Lori.
And I'm Gary.
And we are
Lori and Gary Cruise.
Welcome back to our channel.
Hey, guys.
Well, today we are going to talk about 10 essential items that you might forget to pack for your next cruise. Thank you for the hand gestures, baby. Gary and I have been on 16 cruises, and we find ourselves still forgetting about things here and there.
Every time.
Or some things we don't even think about, we don't even know about.
Until we're there, and then we go, oh, why didn't we bring that?
So without further ado, let's get started with our ultimate cruise packing guide. Number 1, baby, take it away.
Number 1, power strip.
So we always bring power strips, extension cords, the European to American transfer plugs, because those cruise ships, especially the old ones, they'll have like one or two outlets. And you got to bring something extra just to be on the safe side. I mean, now we have to have chargers for our iPads, our phones, our computers, our
tablets,
coffee machines. Shh.
I didn't hear that. What'd you say? Never mind.
Hot plates.
Let's move on. I didn't hear that either.
But in saying this, you got to be careful now, because Royal Caribbean just posted that they will no longer allow you to take surge protected power cords on your cruise vacation.
Or even an extension cord. They've banned that as well.
Well, the information's very iffy, because in some places it says an extension cord is fine as long as it's not surge protected, and in other places it's like, no, nothing, no power cords. So to be honest, we're not even sure. We're literally just going to bring one of everything. We have 2 Royal Caribbean cruise vacations coming up, so we will definitely let you know if our power strips are confiscated or not.
If they take it away, and we'll let you know.
We'll live.
Yeah.
We'll live, except if they take the coffee pot away. That's another story.
Item number 2, magnets. I'll tell you why this is important. The walls are all magnetic. They're all metal. So magnets work on all the walls and the door. And I like to take magnets to put on the door. For instance, whenever we go out to eat, I like to take stevia with me, because usually ships don't provide this, and I'll just magnetize them on the door.
Celebrity provides stevia, by the
way. Yeah, Celebrity does. And I like to put some ones, some dollar bills for tip money, the day's planner, that kind of thing. And what I do is I have these little
our key cards.
Our key cards as well. Yeah, we put those on the door, because you're going to forget something. You're going to have to walk back to your cabin. These little bitty tiny magnets are a lifesaver. It says, boom.
Ooh.
See that?
Put it in my hand.
There you go. And I got a bag of these, of 15 or 20, for $5 on Amazon. So.
And they hold all your stuff real tight.
Yeah, they're really, really powerful. Magnets. Don't forget.
All right, I'm going to take item number 3 away, because I'm the only one that uses it. But item number 3, highlighter. Now, Now, most cruise ships still give a paper copy of the daily planner, and I like to use a highlighter to go through it and highlight what we want to do.
What we're going to do for the day.
Want to do. Yes, you can still look up what you might want to do on the app, but there's no way to save it. With the highlighter, you can just, check that baby off.
Of the 100 things that are going to be on the daily planner, you'll check off about 4 or 5 that you want to do. You don't want to look at the whole planner and know where did it go? I lost it, blah, blah, blah. Just highlight it. You're good to go.
Highlighter.
Next, towel clips. And I'll tell you why this is important.
He is the king of towel clips. First of all, we just have to bow down to the towel clip king. He loves his towel clips.
If you go to the pool, and you put your towel there, the wind, probably about 70-80% is going to blow it off if you go get a drink or something. Come back, it's off. With these, now I got these on Amazon for about 15 bucks. And what these will do is, hey, little clips right here, right there. They got a little magnet right there for, if you want to use that for something. But you put these for the towels, put a clip here and a clip here, and your towels are there. I also like to use these on the balcony after we've gone to the pool to dry off swim trunks and bathing suits and whatever. You put these on the back of the chair along with your bathing suit. They're not going to blow off. If you just put them out on the balcony without using these clips, it's 50-50 if they're going to blow away, and then you don't have swimming trunks.
Atlantic Ocean has some new junk.
Yeah.
Can I add something else to this, baby?
Yeah, please.
In the solarium or outside by the pool when it's packed, if you just leave your towel to guard your spot, someone might think it's just you left and you don't need the spot anymore.
Right.
But if you have these clips with your towel, they're going to know, oh, this spot belongs to someone. Let's find a different place to go to.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, towel clips.
Towel clips, necessary.
All right. Item number 5, reusable water bottle.
Oh, yeah.
Now, this is my Princess Cruise Lines water bottle. It's a little worse for wear. Princess, if you want to do a collab, I will gladly accept a new water bottle because I'm obsessed with this. Now, first of all, even if you have a drinks package and you get free water, nothing's free, included water bottles with your drinks package or whatever status you are, even if you get free water bottles. Plastic is not the best to have on a hot day in the Caribbean or anywhere else warm you might be cruising to. The chemicals from the plastic get into the water.
Microplastics.
Yeah. It's just not a good scene.
Yeah.
Here, this is like stainless steel. Ain't nothing getting into that water.
Plus, plastics aren't good for the environment, so.
And plus, this is super easy to fill up. What I usually do is have the server pour water either at lunch or dinner, or I refill it in the buffet, but please don't put your dirty water bottle up next to the spout. What I do is I get a glass, and then I go from that. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt, but at least it's sanitary. Yeah. And the other thing that I love about this water bottle in particular is that
I bought it for you. That's not it.
Oh yeah, that's what I love about it.
Yeah. Well, what were you gonna say, really? For sure.
But in addition to that, it comes with like a big clip, bigger than this, and I can hook it to the back of my bag. So it's like I don't have to waste up bag real estate with the water bottle. Right. So reusable water bottle.
There you go. Number 6, waterproof phone case.
How many excursions have we been on where we wish we could have had our phones with us, but we had to leave them in a locker? Yeah. Because there was a chance that they would have been destroyed in the water. I'm thinking about places like Dunn's Falls in Jamaica. Right. You're not exactly swimming. You could have your phone on you, but you're taking a chance.
You're taking a big chance.
Taking a big chance.
Yeah. And what was that excursion we went on where we went in these canoes with the power boat and we were doing like 40 miles an hour and the water was splashing everywhere.
Oh my God. We were so scared.
And I had my phone. I was doing this with my phone.
Guarding the phones for dear life.
Yeah. Anyway, we had a phone protector, a phone...
that was Panama, by the way.
Panama. But
yeah, a waterproof phone case.
But if we had a waterproof phone case, there would have been no problem.
Yeah, it just puts your mind at ease.
Exactly.
Puts your mind at ease. Even if your phone is waterproof, you don't want it to be submerged in water.
Yeah, it's not water. Your phones aren't waterproof. They're water resistant, which means that you can ruin them if they get too watery.
Can you imagine your phone breaking in the middle of your cruise? Has your phone ever broken in the middle of the cruise? Did you have a meltdown? Let us know in the comments below.
Gosh.
Oh my gosh. I'd die.
I can't imagine. Anyway.
I'd be dead.
What's next?
There would be my carcass.
Yeah. Number 7, Seasick Remedies. Now, you're going to have to bring some Dramamine with you because I don't care how big the ship is. If you're in rough waters, you're going to feel it. You are going to feel it. and you may get a little nauseous. You may even get sick. If it hits rough waters, you're going to feel it.
And honestly, if you're not into like medication, what Gary does is he brings candied ginger.
Candied ginger. Now, I'm not prone to getting sick on cruise ships, but there's been a couple of times when I did get sick, and I took some candied ginger, and it cured it.
And if you're one of those people that gets very motion sick, just make sure you bring your Dramamine or something, because if you wait and you buy it on the ship, you're going to be paying double.
Yeah, you're going to be
Double.
paying 10 times much.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Item number 8, a laundry bag.
Yeah.
But hear me out. I don't have a full-size laundry bag, so what I do is I just bring a bunch of these grocery bags.
Oh, yeah.
Because they're cloth, so they're easily moldable.
Yeah.
And as we wear clothes and they get dirty, we just put them in here, and then when it's time to pack at the end of the cruise, it's easy to just kind of shove them in the bag.
You don't want your dirty clothes mixed with your clean clothes, because
No.
you don't want that.
But also, if you're on a cruise ship with a laundry room, which we've done laundry once or twice on a cruise.
Yeah.
If they're, even if you have 2 or 3 of them, they're easy to carry. So that's what I do. But definitely bring something, even if it's just a plastic bag, because you just don't want a whole suitcase full of dirty clothes.
No.
It's not the nicest smell.
Laundry bag. Item number 9, a portable fan. Now, you can either bring, I'm talking about a fan only, it's about this big. Now, you can bring one that is chargeable, or you can bring one to plug in. But it's important to have air circulation. Sometimes the AC doesn't provide that. And also, I like to bring this, one of these things, one of these manual things.
Yeah, because we don't like to take up too much real estate for a fan.
Yeah.
Because his coffee maker is already...
Yeah. Anyway, these come in handy for when you're at the pool, or on an excursion, or in the room. And sometimes you get hot, and if you had one of these, it's like, yeah.
Now, fun fact, this is a Chicago one, and you can get them for free in the summer in Times Square. The Chicago girls hand them out for the Broadway show Chicago.
Yeah.
Right in Times Square. Another fun fact, I used to be one of those Chicago girls.
Yeah.
So, so that's where Gary got that fan, and it's the gift that keeps on giving.
But if you don't live in Manhattan, which you probably don't, I don't know.
Go to the dollar store.
Yeah, go to the dollar store and pick one of these up. It will come in handy.
And finally, item number 10. And it's pretty interchangeable. interchangeable. Ziplock bags.
Oh.
You can use it for
essential.
So many different things.
Yeah.
What I like to use them for is to put wet bathing suits in, especially at the end of the cruise. Our wet suits never have time to dry because we always soak up the cruise ship till the very last second.
Yeah.
So undoubtedly, we always end up having to put a wet swimsuit in our suitcase. But also if you go to the beach and then you change, you'll have a wet swimsuit and you don't want to just throw it in your backpack. Plus, he has them for his stevia, his candied ginger.
Yeah.
His,
vitamins, medication, whatever. You take it to the beach. It'll protect it from the water, from the sand. They are essential items to bring. Bring a half a dozen Ziploc bags of different sizes. It'll come in handy.
And coming up next, we have a bonus item. But before we get to it...
A bonus item?
Yeah, we have a bonus item.
Wow.
But
I wasn't aware of that.
You didn't even know.
Okay.
But before we get to it, we want to kindly ask you to please hit the
like and subscribe button
with the
notification bell. Ding, ding, ding.
The notification bell will alert you every time we post a video, and we post lots of helpful cruise tips and tricks videos, along with vlogs, room tours, ship tours, the works. If it's about cruising, we try and post it.
Yeah.
So definitely hit that notification bell. And finally, the bonus item. I'm going to talk about it because I'm the one that brings it.
What is it?
A portable charger for your phone.
Oh.
Or for any USB, really.
Yes.
So whenever we enter a cruise ship room, Gary loves to take the side of the bed that has all the outlets. You know you do. Don't deny it. He's trying to I knew he'd be like that.
What? Me? What are you talking about?
So I am left with nothing, not even a little USB charger. So what I do is I have my portable charger. I keep my phone charging at night. As soon as I wake up, I put my portable charger back to the USB to recharge up, and then I either have it for the next night, or if I need it for later in the day for when we go on land to help keep my phone charged throughout the day.
Yeah.
That's what I have it for.
Yeah.
And that's the bonus item. And those are the items that you need to make sure you pack
Yep.
for your next cruise.
Yep.
That's a wrap for us today. But let me ask you guys, did we miss anything?
I'm sure we did.
Please let us know in the comments below. And until the next time, I'm Lori.
And I'm Gary.
And we want you to
Live your best cruise life.
Ciao.
Bye, guys.